On July 14th, the very first flight of a Tranche 4 Eurofighter was successfully completed by Airbus Defence. The fighter jet is due to go to the German Air Force as part of its 38 airframe order. So let's take a look at this small piece of news and at the larger Tranche 4 program. As reported by Aviation Week, the successful test flight took place in the skies over Manching, Germany, with test pilot Stefan Auer flying the fighter for an hour to evaluate flight characteristics, engine performance, flight control system, hydraulics, and electrical systems. Unfortunately, we were only able to find this one image of the actual test flight, and so the rest of this video will mostly be filled with older Eurofighter video. Nonetheless, it's a big step for the Eurofighter consortium as a successful test flight allows the Tranche 4 project to move forward. The German order for 38 comprises 30 single-seaters and 8 twin-seaters, and it said that 3 of the 4 Eurofighter partner nations, Germany, Italy and Spain, have placed orders for Tranche 4 fighters. The odd one out, the UK will instead modify 40 Typhoons to operate Advanced European Common Radar System or ECRS Mark II radars, including 38 new systems and modifications to 2 test systems. And so when it comes to Tranche 4, the Defence Post says that this generation's primary upgrade is the integration of the European Common Radar System or ECRS Mark I, meaning that the UK's Typhoons will have more advanced radar. Nonetheless, ECRS improves target detection, multi-track capability, and electronic warfare resilience compared to older models. The main difference is that the Mark II, funded by the UK, features an exclusive multifunction array built for heavy-duty electronic warfare and jamming. According to Defence Blog, Germany's Tranche 4 fighters are expected to eventually carry the Taurus KEPD-350 long-range standoff cruise missile, which are also deployed on the German Panavia Tornado IDS fighter bombers. Developed by Taurus Systems, a joint venture between MBDA Deutschland and Saab, the Taurus KEPD is designed for precision strikes against highly fortified, deeply buried and stationary targets. Aviation Week notes that Germany and Italy, which ordered up to 24, will use the new Tranche 4 aircraft to replace their Tranche 1 models, while Spain, which has ordered 45 Tranche 4s, will use them to supplement and strengthen its frontline combat fleet. Other sources state that the goal is to replace the country's aging FA-18 Hornet fighters. Deliveries of the Quadriga aircraft will begin sometime in the second half of 2026, following type certification, with the remainder being delivered through 2030, Quadriga being the program name for Germany's Tranche 4 acquisition. Over in Spain, the Tranche 4 program is progressing as well and goes by the name Halcón, with this being Spanish for Falcon or Hawk. On July 3rd, Airbus Defence posted on social media that it had successfully completed its first Eurofighter Halcón engine run at its Getafe facilities, a key milestone validating the operation of the engines while also verifying the integration of systems such as hydraulics, electrical and fuel across their full power range from idle to maximum reheat. And so it's an exciting time for the Eurofighter program with these new jets coming soon. With a project like GCAP still being quite far away from serial production of a next-generation fighter, it makes sense to continue investing in Eurofighter. On this note, it's worth highlighting that 20 Tranche 5 platforms that were ordered in 2025 will be delivered through 2034. According to Militaire Actuel, no comprehensive technical details have yet been published for this next iteration, although it said that no major structural changes to the aircraft are currently planned, with main improvements said to be in the electronics and system architecture. But further Tranche 5 details will be coming in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Are you excited to see Eurofighter customers soon take delivery of their Tranche 4 jets? Let us know by leaving a comment.